and welcome back to Journal Sunshine. This is my journaling channel. My name is Lauren, and today I'm going to be doing a setup video showing you what I have in this passport-sized traveler's notebook. It's one of my absolute favorite journals. I love this size. It's so small and adorable. It's a Traveler's Company cover, which is, they're the original. They're the original creator of the Traveler's Notebook, and I love this thing. You can see there are all these wonderful scratches. It just has so much history, and it was completely clean and perfect when I first got it, so all of those scratches are mine, and I love it. Actually, in addition to the cover, all of the inserts in this particular notebook are all made by Traveler's Company. I do have some things from other companies, but they're in other size notebooks. For some reason, I just really love what Traveler's Company makes for the passport size, and so I haven't felt a need to put in things from other companies, in this notebook anyway. I also have a really cute little charm on here that I love. It was actually a stitch marker by the company, the Clever Clove. And so let's open this thing up and take a look inside. Originally, when I started out with Traveler's Notebooks, I thought I wanted a cover that had pockets built into it. And then I realized I have all these amazing zipper pouches, and so why not just use those as pockets instead? And so this one I love. I don't actually have anything in that particular pocket, but it's from the B-Sides and Rarities. It's a cloth zipper pouch. And then I have this clear zipper pouch as well. And this one I put some stickers in. It's easier to see them in the clear one, which is why I prioritized that one. But I've got space if I end up wanting to put things in that first one. This is the other side of the clear zipper pouch. So it just has kind of places to slip some cards. I've got some, actually most of these are tags from Pokemon plushies that I thought were really adorable, so they're just kind of in there for decoration. I could put them in the journal at some point if I wanted to, but just kind of put a bunch of random things into here just in case I want some ephemera that I can paste into my journal pages, because I actually use one of these as kind of a little mini collage book. That is the first insert that I have in here. So this is a letterpressed limited edition Traveler's Company refill. It has the cream pages in it, so it's a little bit more off-white than their standard white pages. And they still have that lovely little frame on the front, and I started by stamping it with the first date that I started journaling in this little insert. And I added some stickers and some little washi tape circles, and I think that looks really cute. I'll stamp it with the next date when I get to the end of the book. But as you can kind of see in here, I end up pasting in all kinds of random things. I have tags from things I've purchased, and little pictures and stickers and pieces of paper that I've ripped up. Just kind of basically made a little mini collage and then journaled in the space around it. And that's kind of been my entire approach to this particular refill, and I love it because it bulks up these notebooks so much. So this was like a little thank you card that came with an order, little pieces from washi tape, packaging, and I think it's a lot of fun. I don't really have a color coordinated approach here. I usually go per spread that I think about the colors. It's very colorful as a whole in this journal. And so this page has kind of red and light blue. It's kind of a way for me to figure out what color combinations I like, and sometimes I end up with weird ones, and sometimes they go together really well. It's just kind of where I can play and experiment and mess around, and I think that that's really fun. This spread was actually all things that came with an order from Baumkuchen, which is one of my favorite stationery shops. I order from them online, and they always wrap up the packages really nicely, and they have beautiful branding, and they work with companies that have beautiful branding, and so I made a whole spread just with that. This one, I actually went and found some old pieces of things from my travels, the Southwest tag and the Charlie ticket from Massachusetts. And then I put together a spread about how I don't really get to travel that much anymore and how I miss it. So that was a kind of dual toned gel pen. You can kind of see there it's blue and purple, and I love that one. And so, you can kind of see here, every bit is a little different. This is another page with more stuff from Baumkuchen because I keep ordering from them. I love them so much. I also like making these little doors, and I could actually have written on the back of it. This is like a little bit of a tear-off calendar that I unfortunately didn't use too much of. These are from washi tapes, like the part of the washi tape packaging. This washi tape came on the packaging. I didn't actually purchase it, and I ended up going back later and buying a roll of it because I thought it was so nice. These are more little bits from orders that I purchased, business cards, washi tape, a sticker from the envelope, a thank you note from one of my orders. I've been doing a lot of online shopping lately, and people always, take the time to send really cute stuff in their packaging now. So I save it, and this is where it ends up. And as you can see here, I do have a fair amount of pages left at the end of this notebook that I still have to fill in. Now this one, I didn't decorate the front of it, but I might at some point. This is my Commonplace Book. So this is a place where I collect kind of quotes that I want to look back at later. And I'm not going to flip through the entire thing, but I did film a flip through video. So if you would like to see that, make sure that you are subscribed, because I'm going to go through and show you all the pages that I've filled in so far. If you want to see some of my favorite quotes, things that inspire me, things that make me smile, things that I like and I want to revisit. This is the other side of that blue zipper pouch. This is the zipper end of it, and I love the way that it hugs my inserts when I kind of wrap it all the way around here. And you can see that I do have an extra rubber band kind of attaching these in here, because there aren't a whole lot of elastics on Traveler's Company covers the way that like Chic Sparrow has a lot of extra elastics. But I really do love this zipper pouch. It's so nice and flat. Even the zipper part is just lovely. And then back here, I have a little writing board that I just kind of stuck in the back in case I want to do any stamping or I need a little bit of extra rigidity under the page. And that is everything that is in my passport-sized traveler's notebook at the moment. I definitely have a lot of traveler's notebooks and folios going at the moment, so I don't update this one as often as I used to, but it's so cute, and sometimes I just like pick it up and squeeze it because it makes me so happy. I really love this size. In the comments below, I'd love to hear, have you tried the passport size traveler's notebook? Do you like a small notebook? Do you prefer the pocket size, which is a little bit bigger? Or do you like a bigger traveler's notebook so you have more room on the pages? One thing that I really love about a small traveler's notebook is how quickly they fill up. It's very satisfying. If you're on Twitter and Instagram, you can follow me over there at LaurenFairWX. And I am looking forward to sharing more journaling content with all of you. I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you next time.